Welcome to MarineMax Nisswa. Today we have a 2022 Crest Caribbean 230 LX. This is a CP3 performance Tritoon. We have beautiful interior stitching design. This is a great interior with a hidden wastebasket, in-floor storage, upgraded Fusion audio system with the Bluetooth stereo right here by the helm, but it's also accessible by everybody else in the boat, so you're not leaning over the driver to change the tunes. This is a beautiful dash layout with a Simrad touchscreen display and some Mercury SmartCraft gauges. This boat is powered by the Mercury 300 Verado outboard motor with digital throttle shifting, so super smooth, high-performance pontoon ride with the hydraulic C-Star steering as well. This is a capacity for up to 13 people. There's a 4-couch layout and side-by-side captain's chairs, as well as a 3-drawer storage system here in the midship. We have a bow, port, and transom door for easy docking and access. 2 mobile cup holder inserts, but you might not need them because we have in-couch cup holders all the way throughout the boat. This boat is located at MarineMax in Nisswa, right on Highway 371. We hope to see you soon and get you ready for summer 2026.